So we know we can create videos from Meta, and it's absolutely free. But the issue is when we try to download. Here you can see, we click on download, we see okay, so our download started. Now when we open that download video, we will see watermark for Meta AI, which not really looking good if we work for our clients or any project. It seems that it created by the AI, but if you don't want any watermark, then what you can do? Many people show you third-party softwares and link to Manus software, but you don't need this. You just need a simple trick here. What we're gonna do, just click, go to inspect and go to network, and from network here you just first of all just reload that page again where you are, and here you can see we are in the media section here. Okay, after coming over to network, just click on media. Okay, now you have two videos or photos here. Okay, for media, just open it on a new tab, and here you can see if we open the video, there are no watermark, and you can simply download it. Okay, we download it, you can see. And now if we open this one, same, exactly same size here, but here we are not having any watermark, so you can use this.